Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuche Azeru Oziri. We still dey talk about rights of small pikin, wetin you no suppose do where e concern small pikin and wetin you suppose do where e concern small pikin. Na wetin we still dey talk about. Section 30 of Child Rights Act 2003 talk say make you no use small pikin dey act adult film. We know wetin be wetin be adult film now. All those things, those kind film wey people go dey do ibonge, dem go dey video dem, na im be adult film. Law talk say make you no use small pikin act dis kind film. No use small pikin act am. No encourage small pikin to act am. E dey against the law. Section 35 of dis same Child Rights Act talk say make you no import any harmful publication. Harmful publication for dis matter na means anything wey relate to children wey you know say e no good for children. Law talk say make you no print am, no sell am, no buy am, no put am for your phone. For instance, small pikin, maybe you wey be adult, you see where small pikin dey do bad thing, where small pikin dey do mekwata wey dem no suppose do. You know say as you be adult, dem no suppose do dat thing. Wetin you suppose do as a responsible adult na to stop dem. No be to video dem. After you don video dem finish, you come dey post am for social media. Na offence you dey commit so. Na it is a harmful publication. Na offence you dey commit so. No do am. No print am, no sell am, no put for your phone any film wey you know say na where children dey do mekwata. No put am for your phone, no get am for your phone, because if law catch you kwechekom, if law catch you, you dey go prison. And if law catch you, e no go talk say you never open am, or say you never watch am, or say you bin wan delete am. You no suppose get all those things for your phone where small children dey do mekwata, or where small pikin naked, or where small pikin dey do all those kind things dem no suppose do. No do am. No do am. Anything wey concern mekwata, children mekwata, no get am for your phone. E dey against the law. No try am, no get am. If you try am, if law catch you, you dey go prison. Now make we talk about the responsibilities of small pikin. We don talk about rights of small pikin. Now make we talk about wetin small pikin suppose do. I know say so many people no know say small pikin get responsibility. Small pikin, I wan tell you this, say small pikin get responsibility. Small pikin get responsibility. Section 18 of Child Rights Act 2003 talk say small pikin get responsibility to im family, get responsibility to im community, get responsibility to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. One of dis responsibility of small pikin be say law talk say as small pikin wey you be, make you dey do things wey go keep your family together. Make you dey do things wey go keep your community together. You know say as small pikin, e get wetin you go do wey fit scatter family. E get wetin you go do wey fit scatter community. Law say make you no do am. Say na your responsibility to bring your family together. Another one, law talk say small pikin, another of your responsibility na to respect your elders. Respect your elders. Respect people wey senior you. Law talk say as small pikin wey you be, make you respect your parents. Make you respect your parents. Respect wey you go give your parents, small elders, people wey senior you, people wey big pass you. E dey for law. Respect them. Na so law talk. Na your responsibility as small pikin. Na your responsibility to respect democracy. Na your responsibility to respect freedom, equality, humanness. Treat your fellow human being like human being wey that person be. Na so law talk. Law come still talk say small pikin, another of your responsibility na to use that talent wey God don give you, that your talent wey you get, that your skill wey you get, make you use am serve the country. Make you use am the way wey e go benefit Nigeria. Na so law talk. Na your responsibility as small pikin. Make you know say as small pikin, one of your responsibility na say make you dey talk true all the time. Dey talk true because some children sabi lie. Law say make you dey honest every time, make you dey honest. Na so law talk. Law come dey tell parents say as pikin dey try to carry out im own responsibility as law talk am, na you, na your work, na your job as a parent or parents to guide dis small pikin to make sure say im fulfill im own part wey be im responsibility, because so many children no know say dem get responsibility. Some of dem just feel say na right dem get. Dem also get responsibility, and law talk say as dem dey do all dis carry out all dis their responsibilities, make you wey be their papa, wey be their mama or wey be their guardian dey watch dem, dey look wetin dem dey do, dey guide dem to make sure say dem carry out dis responsibility as law talk am. Thank you.